Okay, welcome back again, guys. Another part of the house build here in Thailand. So let me show you around before we do the talk about the Thai words for like construction tools and materials and stuff like that. So let me show you what they're doing. Right, what they're doing here is the trim. So they're just finishing off these posts here. Just marking out. So it needs a bit trimming. Need that out. Okay, so you got to trim that down a bit. Yeah, as you can see, all that's ready for rendering. Just got this bit up here to do. I'll just show you what he's doing here. So they set the lines up. And put the trim in. Okay, good. In my Sebo. Okay, I says, are you full? Do you enjoy it? He says, yeah. Sep Lai is an Isan word for really delicious. In Thai it's Aroi Ma. So now we're putting the steel work in for the sun visor that's got to go in here, because we've done some alterations. So that's what they're doing, they're just putting the top steel in there ready, so then we can actually put a level ceiling in instead of a slope ceiling, which it was going to be originally. Here they finished all the render. Catman, as the Thais call it, for concrete polish finish. So just putting the seal on it. On here it's not, it's just sealed and painted. That's it. So that's just chop or render. And the door, nice size door for the water tank, filter, irrigation pump, house pump. And the roof's got to go on yet. So that's what we're doing now. So now we'll talk about some tools and equipment in Thai, and teach you how to say certain words if you're having a house built here in Thailand. Okay, or you understand, so you understand what they say. Okay. Okay, so I've got my helper here today to help for translate, like to say the Thai word. Okay, okay, Roy. Chelai.
Fiber.
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 Okay. Any.
สว่านไร้สาย
Sawang.
สว่านไร้สาย
Lai Sai. Okay. Battery power drill. Any scaffolding.
นั่งร้าน
Nang Lan. Okay. And this here, bull croppers.
ครีมตัดลวดครีมตัดเหล็ก
Kiem dat leg.
ครับ
Kiem is like pliers, yeah. Okay. For dat leg means cut steel. And what's this?
ดินสอ
Dinso. And pen.
นั่นแหละ
Pen. Begat. Begat. Good. Oh. Yeah.
ระดับน้
ระดับน้ำ Okay. Let me climb through here. It's like a maze. Okay, we've already done cone, which is hammer. So,
เกียง
Iang.
เกียง
Giang.
เกียงกอ
Giango. Right.
เกียงอีก
And what's that called?
นะ คนบ้า
Kunba. Crazy. Yeah, no, they're peeing. Lady. Okay, we all know it's pie. And this. Yeah.
ซีไล
Sea lai.
ซีไลฟ้า
Fa.
แล้วก็
Yeah.
ซีไล
So it's for the ceilings, sea lai. And for bag, kapao. What's that? Chiam. That's the
ตู้เชื่อ
welder.
ม
อะไรนะ
ตู้เชื่อม
Do
ตู้เชื่อม
do chiam. That's a welder. อันนี้ chiam.
นวด
ลวดนี่
ลวดเชื่อม
ลวดเชื่อม But to say chiam means weld, to weld. Yeah. So this is sharp render. Bone sharp. So anyway, here they are rendering inside the house. Yeah, you see the trim going up there so it keeps the wall level. Another one in the corner there. You see in there, they're just checking off. Make sure when they do the chop. Chai, nee. Okay. So that on nee. Nee. Yeah. Do from here. Nee. That off. That off means to cut out. ประมาณนี้เส้น5อ๋อ2 เส้นใช่ไหม This is only a day and a half of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 walls done. Okay, looking good. Okay, I've done some slow-mo stuff, so I'm just gonna put that up now.